This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Scott Grissom. Well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch just a few minutes from town. Lots of open space for kids. Living room and family room gives you lots of elbow room for friends and family during the holidays. Large kitchen with lots for counter space plus separate dining room, great for sit-down dinners. Nice size laundry room, could double as a huge pantry. Cozy sunroom for morning coffee. Covered deck makes for a great grilling space in all weather. Plus 3 separate storage buildings for all the toys. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Grissom at 919-691-4234.